Today we are going to study topic baking soda. So what is baking soda? Its chemical formula is NaHCO3. Chemical name sodium bicarbonate or sodium hydrogen carbonate. Both the names are correct. Now what is the preparation of baking soda? Preparation of baking soda is done by NaCl plus water plus CO2 plus NH3, that is ammonia. This gives ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl plus NaHCO3. This is the product we want. This is known as baking soda. And we also get byproduct ammonium chloride. This whole process of preparation of baking soda is known as solvay process. What is it is known? It is known as solvay process. The raw material used in preparation of baking soda is sodium chloride. By adding water, by passing it through carbon dioxide and ammonia, we get ammonium chloride and baking soda, and this whole process is known as solvay process. The special name given to this preparation is solvay process. So this is also asked in examination, what is solvay process? It is nothing much but the preparation of baking soda. Now what are the uses of baking soda? So first use of baking soda is very common and widely used in soda acid fire extinguishers. Second, in antacids. Antacids is a type of medicine as it neutralizes excess acid in stomach. It shows NHCO3 is alkaline in nature. Why it is alkaline in nature? Because it neutralizes excess acid in our stomach. So it is used for making antacids. It is a type of medicine generally given to the person who is suffering from acidity. So it is alkaline in nature. The reaction is NaHCO3. What is does? H positive. H positive means from any acid, like in our stomach, HCl is present in excess. It neutralizes to give CO2, H2O plus sodium salt of acid. of acid, it is acid. Example: NaHCO3 in the presence of HCl. In our stomach, HCl is present. What it is going to do? It is going to do react with HCl to give CO2, water and NaCl. So if we taking any antacid, it will give us these byproduct. We get burp in the form of carbon dioxide. It is released from our body, water and NaCl. So these are the notes on topic baking soda. It is asked in exam for 5 marks. If you do this in a proper way, like firstly we will give chemical formula, then chemical name, then preparation, then uses, you will get 5 marks. Total 5 marks you will get if you write in this